tornado warning for
Tornado warning.
Walworth County in southeastern Wisconsin, southeastern Rock County in south central Wisconsin until 6:45 p.m. It's 6:17 p.m. A severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Clinton, or 9 miles west of Delavan, moving southeast at 25 miles an hour. Hazard: tornado.
Tornado.
Source: weather spotters reported funnel cloud near Highway 14. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Sharon, Darien, Johnstown Center, Allen's Grove, Avalon, Emerald Grove, and Delavan Lake.
Pretty strong.
Take cover now.
Storm moving through.
Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest
Wonder how this thing got
shelter
there.
and protect yourself from flying debris. This is the NOAA Weather Radio WX162.550 in Madison. The National Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Walworth County in southeastern Wisconsin,
Tornadic storm
southeastern
moving
Rock
through.
County in south central